Hey everyone, this is JP with Oracle Lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to install the new ColorSHIFT RGB DRLs in the 2019 and up Sierra headlights. These are expensive headlights, so we want to show you exactly how to do the install for a trouble-free experience. If you don't want to do the install yourself, that's not a problem. You can send your headlights direct to Oracle for the installation. We can even install our demon eyes or custom paint the headlights just as you see here. Let's get started. Let's start by taking a look at what's in the box. First, we have our LED driver harness with plug-and-play connectors as well as separate inputs to activate the solid white DRL. This is our RGB connector. These cables will connect to the Oracle ColorSHIFT Controller that you select to use. Lastly are the ColorSHIFT RGB circuit boards. These PCBs were designed by Oracle and feature plug-and-play connectors as you see here. To remove the lens, preheat your oven to 220 degrees. Insert the headlight lens up and bake for 15 minutes. Remove the headlight, then remove the grill bracket by unscrewing 2 T20 screws. Remove the fender bezel by unscrewing 3 T20 screws. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry around the perimeter of the lens to separate. To begin disassembly, you'll need to unscrew these 7 T20 screws. Remove the DRL diffuser. Remove the main DRL assembly. Be sure to unplug each DRL board. Then remove the lower DRL assembly. Also be sure to unplug the DRL board.
Peel back the red liner and stick each demon eye down to the top of each factory LED board. Be sure to allow the demon eye LED to hang over the edge. The demon eye with the longer input cable should be on the bottom reflector.
Drill a 10mm hole in the back of the headlight as shown. Use a pick tool to depin the DRL cable plug and remove it. Route the cable and grommet through the hole and reinstall the DRL assemblies in reverse order. Seal the hole on the backside of the headlight with the supplied grommet.
Carefully lift the small tabs on each wire end using a razor and reinsert the wires into the plug as shown. To reseal the headlight, apply Oracle headlight sealant to the lens channel and press in the lens. Clamps may be needed to hold the lens in place while drying. Reinstall the fender bezel and grille bracket using the same T20 screws. Plug in the LED driver and connect the controller cable. For more info or to find a dealer near you, visit oraclelights.com or give us a call at 1-800-407-5776. Thanks for watching.